It's the only train in the world that travels over the sea. Yes, you heard that right. This train linking Hamburg in Germany to Copenhagen in Denmark is a true marvel of modern engineering. To cross the Baltic Sea, it boards directly onto a ferry specially built with train tracks. Imagine a train gliding over water at incredible speed before continuing its journey through Denmark's snowy landscapes. An extraordinary trip that feels like it's from a sci-fi film, yet it exists. This clever route, called the Bird Flight Line, combines sea and railway transport. Passengers can admire the ocean views during the crossing while staying seated in the train's comfort. After reaching the other shore,